my gosh. Come on down to Vibrance Chiropractic. We now have drive-through chiropractic for all your needs.
That planter saved our lives.
So when you come to Vibrance Chiropractic, there's always a limitation to matter with what we can actually do and what we can work with. Some things just aren't structurally sound enough for us to even take care of. Other things, we can assess the damage and we can actually fix it pretty quick, pretty fast, because that's how we work around here. We make sure that we're always on top of things, always efficient, and you know what? We've even got a drive-through. Come to Vibrance Chiropractic. We'll see you soon.
News is coming. Really, the news is coming.
Oh.
A Nashville chiropractor's office is in need of some adjustment tonight. Patients were waiting for their appointments when a car came barreling through. Channel 4's Julia Bruck with the story on East Main Street where cleanup's underway.
It sounded like bombs were going off.
The night air fills Vibrance Family Chiropractic in East Nashville. Bricks, glass are scattered through Dr. Chris Clark's office. But a bomb didn't make this mess. A car did.
The car went through the brick, went through that whole front office, pushed the bookshelf completely through the hallway.
The sound of an engine revved into the clinic just as patients started to arrive for evening adjustments.
There was a patient coming in who was parked in her car, and the car missed her by about a foot or so and went straight into the building.
Clark says a car was originally stopped on the street, and another car hit it from behind that started a chain of events.
It hit another vehicle, which sent it flying over between the other lane of traffic through the parking lot. There was two cars right there. It went between the two cars into the office.
The car hit another wall before it finally came to a stop in the hallway, but somehow no one was hurt. The car is gone along with the emergency vehicles, but left behind a big hole in Vibrance Family Chiropractic. Still, Clark says that won't stop him from providing patients care.
Where there's a will, there's a way.
That was Channel 4's Julia Bruck reporting. Tonight, it's not clear who or whether anyone will face charges. A few of the cars that were hit in the parking lot this evening did have damage as well.